Spence Marshall is an Australian politician serving as the 46th Premier of South Australia. He has been a member of the South Australian division of the Liberal Party of Australia in the South Australian House of Assembly since 2010, representing the electorate of Dunstan. Marshall has been the leader of the SA Liberals since February 2013 and was the leader of the opposition between 2013 and 2018. He had previously been the party's deputy leader from October 2012 to February 2013. Initially unsuccessful at the 2014 state election, Marshall led the opposition into government at the 2018 state election and on 19 March was sworn in as premier by the governor. His government was defeated at the 2022 state election, with Marshall remaining as premier until the governor swears in a new cabinet. On March 20, 2022, Marshall resigned as leader of the Liberal Party. Marshall was born in Woodville South, a suburb of Adelaide, South Australia. He attended Ethelton Primary School and Emmanuel College before studying business at the South Australian Institute of Technology. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.